Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine. So student, quickly take out your GK book and open page number 20. So today we will know about folk dance of India. India has a rich history of varied cultural background. As a result, its different regions have come up with their own folk dances. Each one of them represents the state or the region from which they originated. Let us learn about some of the famous Indian folk dance. So in this chapter we will know some folk dance of India in different states. Okay, so this dance form different dance form represents the different states of India. Okay, so let's go and know about some folk dances and which state this dance belongs. Okay, at first Kuchipudi is one of the classical dance form from South India. Its name comes from a village called Kuchipudi in Andhra Pradesh. Kuchipudi is used as a dance form to show Hindu epics, legends, and mythological tales. It has many features that are common to some other classical dances in India. So, Kuchipudi is a famous folk dance of which state? Andhra Pradesh. Okay. And the next is Bihu dance. Bihu is a folk dance from the state of Assam. It is performed as part of the Bihu festival, which is celebrated at the beginning of the farming season. Both men and women participate in this dance in traditional colorful Assami dresses. So, Bihu dance is the traditional folk dance of which state? State of Assam. Okay, then when the Assamese celebrated Bihu dance? In the beginning of the farming season. Okay, then the next one is Garba. Garba originated in Gujarat. It is mostly performed in circle with a earthen lit lamp or the statue of goddess Durga. People wear colorful clothes called choli and ghagra during Garba. Okay, so Garba is the Garba dance is famous in which state? State of Gujarat. Okay, so Garba is a folk dance of Gujarat. So Gujarati, when the Gujarati do Garba dance in a festival of, I think you all know that the Gujarati are played Garba dance in which festival? In especially the Navratri festival. And they dance in front of the goddess Durga. Okay. And in this dance, they wear a special dress. Which one? That one called choli and ghagra. Okay. Then next is Chhau. Chhau is a popular folk dance and belongs to Eastern India. Since masks are important in this dance, it is called Chhau, which means a mask. The dance is rhythmic and set to traditional folk music. Musical instruments like dhol, nagara and sehnai are used in Chhau. Okay. Then the Lavani. Lavani is a dance form popular in the western state of Maharashtra. Which state? Maharashtra. It is a combination of music and dance, particularly performed on the beats of dholki. It is performed by female dancers wearing 9-yard-long saris. Okay. Then the next one is Bhangra. Bhangra is a folk dance which originated in the state of Punjab. So, in which state Bhangra dance is famous? In Punjab. It is performed in all Punjabi festivals. It is even very popular in Bollywood. It is mainly performed by men, but women can be part of this folk dance too. The dance form for only Punjabi women is popularly known as a Giddha. Then the next one is Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is a traditional Indian classical dance. It comes from South India, mainly from Tamil Nadu. It involves a lots of expressions of Hindu religious themes and devotions. Okay. So here in this chapter we will know about some dance form and which state the dance form is, and know also which state the dance form is famous. Okay. So dear children, please read this lesson carefully and try to remember all the folk dance names, and also remember which folk dance represent in which state of India. Okay.